Hi there, today we're creating this easy photo holder, so let's get into it. To start, grab a small piece of clay and roll it into a little cylinder. Once you've got that, chop off the bottom so it forms this nice little semicircle shape. This will be the base of our photo holder. Now, take the rest of your clay and roll it into a long tube, about 2.5 centimeters thick. Gently bend it over the semicircle shape and then cut the tube to size. You'll need 2 more arches, so repeat the process. Press each arch into the next to connect them all together. Next, take a flat modelling tool and slice it into the top of the arch to create a nice little channel for your photos to sit in. Don't worry if you need to slice a few times to get it deep enough. You'll want to create a nice little gap. At this stage, if there are any rough edges or areas you want to smooth over, dip your fingers in a bit of water and use them to smooth it out until it's nice and even. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Montmart YouTube channel. Once you're happy with how it looks, set your creation aside to let it dry, and this will take about 24 to 48 hours. Patience is key here. Once your piece is completely dry, it's time to get creative. Choose your favourite colour or mix and match for a fun combo. We've gone with pastel taupe for 2 of the arches. Don't forget to let the first coat dry completely before applying a second coat to make the colour really pop. Once the paint is dry, grab some natural finish clay sealer and apply it lightly to seal your piece. Let it dry completely, and voila, you're done! That's it for today's project. We hope you had fun and are feeling inspired to create your own unique photo holder. Make sure to subscribe to the Montmart YouTube channel for more awesome projects like this. See you next time!